ahinya Judith Omoni kuom lipodno. Wadhi nyime kama jagoro mongirore bad migao manyien marango weche nyithindo Angeng'o Achieng koro ochako tich ayanga kendo wacho ni en gi lony moromo e yore kod okenge minyalo tigodo e rito ratich nyithindo e pacho ka. Paro makamano osire kod jatend migao mar Leba Alfred Mutua mabedo omedore ni nyaka rang yore mag tego bad migao no kod keto alwora makare mar dongo na nyithindo. Korka kore jagoro mongirore mochung' ne weche mag jodongo Joseph Mutari osiro yiero mar Angeng'o kowacho ni obiro tayo bad migao no kaka dwarore kendo gibiro tiyo kanyachiel mar chopo dwach jopiny.
This is a state department which takes care of all the children of this nation and anybody vulnerable of this nation. So it's quite wide. You name it from the early 0 age all the way to the grave. Mine is actually to welcome her and tell her there's quite a lot ahead. And the way we have interacted with her, Waziri, is that she's equal to the task and she should be able to deliver.
Briefly, I can say, yes, I have had a grasp of the issues affecting children in Kenya. And what I can say is that my plan as I come in, number one, would be to strengthen child protection.
The identity of children needs to be protected. We shouldn't have pictures of children in the media, young babies. We shouldn't have children, we shouldn't have an expose of children. The innocence of children needs to be protected. And the children have to be protected also from vices in society. We need to protect our children from violence. We need to protect our children from pornography and sexual acts that are for adults, not for children. We need to protect our children from gambling and some of these other issues that are affecting our children. We need to protect our children from alcohol and drugs.